You are approved on the Luel.ai. Now the next thing to do is to simply complete tasks and get paid. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact tasks available on the Luel.ai right now and how to follow instructions so you don't get rejected. And of course, guys, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money in this video. So now this is how to actually get started. You want to go to Luel.ai/sign in to log in. So you need to enter your email right here. After that, I'm going to send magic link, and after that, you want to check your email for the link. When you click on it, you're going to be directed to what you see right here. All right, so that's how you log into your account. And of course, guys, now they have different tags right here. So if you click on browse tags, you get access to the available tags on Luel.ai. So there are loads of tags right here on Luel.ai. So guys, I'm going to show you the exact tags that you can simply jump on right now. So if you're watching from India, this is an opportunity for you to also earn, because I believe I have many people watching from India. So now we have this right here, $18 per hour. So guys, you simply want to record your audio and get paid. Of course, I'm going to click on that and show you more information on that. So now, right now, if you have been approved, now I want you to go right there. So this is a offer. This is the task we are simply going to complete. Of course, guys, let me click on it and I'll show you how to get started. Right now, this is it, guys. Now you're going to earn $5 per hour, and this is it, guys. This is it. And now you simply want to record the video of yourself, guys. Luel.ai is a Y Combinator company, and they are not looking for robots, they are looking for humans. All right, so your natural Nigerian accent and your real life surroundings are exactly what their AI needs to learn. So you simply want to record yourself right here and upload, and the minimum right here is 5 minutes to 1 hour. So now you simply want to come to dashboard right here. So now you want to come to upload your first clip, or you come to upload now, so any of the two. So right here, guys, you want to select the tags right here. So this is what we want: egocentric video recording. So this is what you want. You simply want to click on this to actually get started. So now this is it, guys. This is it. Please don't skip this video. Now duration 5 minutes to 1 hour, and you record any hands-on activity from a first person perspective. Now we are collecting egocentric first person point of view video footage for AI training. Record yourself performing any hands-on activity using a head-mounted camera, GoPro, smart glasses, phone, and etc. So guys, this platform, they are multimodal, right? That is, they have audio, they have videos, they have photos. So for the audio, you can record your natural conversations or reading short script. And of course, for the video, you simply want to record simple actions like walking or waving. For the photos, it has to do with specific objects in your house or environment. All right, so guys, now let's quickly read through this. The video you're watching right now, it is on landscape. All right, so now they will reject your video. If your video is portrait or vertical, they're going to reject it. All right, so the videos you actually see on the TikTok, they are vertical videos. All right, so you want to avoid that. So the wide angle lens required, this is it right here. So no standard phone cameras, you use wide action cameras, GoPro, Insta 360, and so on. And guys, the videos are automatically shared for wide angle feed of view and will be rejected if the lens is too narrow. So guys, this is it, guys. This is the requirement. Camera position must be head mounted only. All right, now the hand visible, your hand must be visible in the frame at least 95% of the time. And for the tasks, any hands-on activity such as cooking, crafting, serving food, folding, origami, gardening, assembling furniture, playing instruments, organizing, repairs, office work, pet care, and more. So, guys, if you just want to record your activities at home, like washing of clothes, dancing, and so on, and after that, guys, you really want to upload or write by following these instructions right there, and the quality must be in this right here resolution and duration 5 minutes to 60 minutes. Remember, I made mention of something like that earlier on. And tips for best results right there. You still want to ensure good lighting, secure the camera firmly to avoid excessive shaking, perform tasks naturally, no need to add or narrate, so you don't need to talk, you just want to record the video of yourself performing this action. All right, so you want to keep hands in the frame throughout the recording and double check your video is horizontal and wide angle before submitting. Of course, guys, now for the submission details, you want to specify right here the device used. Now if you use iPhone, if you use Android, you should want to specify right here. And for the camera placement, you still want to specify also right there. For the you still want to specify, and the task performed, maybe you're washing dishes or washing clothes, so you should want to specify right there. All right, and after that you want to select the file you want to upload, and the notes, take note of this: the video or audio must not be more than 30 gig right here. And after that you want to click on I agree and upload your clip. So, guys, now this is how you can upload this and make money, guys. This is an opportunity for those that has been approved. I had to create an account on the Luel.ai. I made a video a few days back on this. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video so you can actually watch it, so you'll be able to create your account. So now I want to show you other offers right here. So this is for the people in India. You simply want to get access to this. All right, so this is something you can do. I believe most of you can do this. All right, so please go through this to actually get more information on this. All right, so now how to withdraw your funds from this platform. You want to click on earnings right here. So as you can see, this is a new account, and of course, guys, you can simply set up your payment method right here. So you want to come to Venmo. If you use Venmo, if you use Wise, you simply want to set it up. If you use Stripe, you simply want to set it up. Now if you use PayPal, you can simply set it up right here. So, guys, right now PayPal is on maintenance, and of course, guys, the good news is that PayPal is now available for Nigerians, so you can simply create a PayPal account and receive your payments with it. So you can simply click on the set up payment method to set up your further payments right here. So this is something you can actually do. It is as simple as that. So, guys, this is how you can actually earn using this platform. Of course, guys, if you got value, please like this video, and please subscribe if you're here to subscribe. So, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.